Hello, good evening, and welcome to this video where I want to talk a little bit about an NFT project that I've become involved with and why, from the first moment that it was pitched to me, I absolutely fell in love with it. So that NFT project is the Recon Rabbits. Now, please remember, I'm not an investment advisor. This isn't investment advice. Do your own research and make sure that you make the decisions that are best for you. Now that that is out of the way, the Recon Rabbits is an NFT project I was approached about, and the way that they're doing business here, I absolutely love. Now, this is the Medium blog, and if you were to scroll down here, you can see that they're actually taking the rewards from two of the vaults that they have. So they have a vault with a bunch of secret, and they've got a vault with a bunch of shade tokens in it. And at the end of every month, or I should say the first of every month, they're harvesting those rewards, and they're donating a lot of the rewards to support the Tunnel to Towers Foundation. And they just announced that they're going to do $20 a month. If they're ever below $20 a month, they're going to continue to do $20 a month. And I think that as a veteran myself, I really love this idea of making the NFT project a little bit bigger than, oh, we're just trying to sell something, sell some art, and it really doesn't have much functionality. Well, I think this has a lot of functionality, and it's definitely going to be making a difference. So I'm really happy to see that. And so that was, for me, the number one thing that drew me into it. They're also, in terms of these vaults, right, a percentage of, I think it's about 50% of the rewards go back into the vault to grow the size of both the secret stake and the shade stake. And they're also taking half of every NFT that is sold, right? So half of the profit from every NFT that is sold at the first of every month is going to be added into the stake as well, based on whether it's one of the secret NFTs or one of the Shade Shadow Brigade NFTs. They're planning on doing an Osmosis or an Osmo vault as well, and they're going to be coming up with sort of a limited edition. I hear they're going to be calling it the Wasmington Warriors or something like that. So it's really, really cool. And like I said, for me, as a veteran myself, I was really excited to see that they're taking a lot of the profit and they're donating that away. They're also giving it away to the owners of the NFT assets on the first of every month. So that's pretty cool as well. So here's the Medium blog. You can read all of the stories that have been published to date. It's just reconrabbits.army. I'm going to be dropping the link to that down below so that you have it. Here's the Tunnel to Towers Foundation. And so this is the T2T.org site. You can read about the organization that they're supporting, where most importantly, 95% of every dollar donated goes to the families of the first responders and the military members that they're supporting. So I thought that was, absolutely amazing, where you see a lot of maybe other organizations where 30 cents of every dollar or 20 cents of every dollar goes to support the cause. Here, Tunnel to Towers, 95%. So here's the Recon Rabbits page. Where can you get one of the Recon Rabbit NFTs? Well, you can only get them on the Stash.io site, right? And I'm going to put this link down below in the description as well. If you're curious what they look like, you could always go to the Instagram page, which is just instagram.com/Recon Rabbits. So here is the latest edition. This is the Shade Shadow Brigade. Again, Shade's logo is kind of this dark purple color. And so they went with this dark purple setup here. And these are your Recon Rabbits. Now, purchasing one of these, you're eligible after ownership of a full month. You're eligible to just be given away some of the vault rewards that are being harvested on the first of every month. And again, that's just going to continue to grow as the NFTs sell, as the rewards that are harvested at the first of every month are invested back in, or the percentage that's invested, I think it's 50% is invested back in. So again, and if I was to scroll back a little further, you can see that here are some of the secret NFTs, and it looks like they want me to log in, but we're not going to do that. So you could check that out as well. So how do you buy one of these Recon Rabbit NFTs? Well, it's actually not as complicated as you would think. So you need to have secret or SCRT tokens. Now, if you're in the US, and you can't use Binance, the regular Binance, not the US Binance, but the regular Binance, you're not going to be able to find secret on Coinbase. You're not going to find it on the US Binance. You can get it on the non-US Binance, but the easier way, and this is why I love the Cosmos, and that's another reason I was attracted to the project, was everything that they're doing is dealing with the Cosmos tokens, Atom, Shade, Secret. As soon as Andromeda comes up with some sort of a staking type thing, they're talking about doing an Andromeda brigade, where if you purchase one of those NFTs, then you can get some of the rewards that are being earned from the Andromeda stake. So anyway, the easiest way to get Secret, in my opinion, is if you use Coinbase or use Binance.us, or even if you use another exchange where they don't have Secret, just buy Atom, ATOM. And all you really need to have installed after you purchase the Atom is the Keplr browser wallet extension. And so here it is opening up right now. And you can see I've got like small, this is kind of a little test bed profile here in Google Chrome. You just add it to Google Chrome. It works with the Brave web browser as well. But you can go ahead and send the Secret into your wallet here. And then you can go to the Osmosis zone and you can swap that Secret, or I'm sorry, swap the Atom for Secret at the Osmosis zone. And then you just simply, deposit the Atom onto the Osmosis zone, make the swap, and then you can simply withdraw the Secret that you've swapped the Atom, use the Atom to swap for, and then send it back into your Keplr wallet here. So once you've got that Secret, you just come to the Shade Protocol site, because all the transactions on the Stash.io site take place with Secret or private Secret. Again, it's that privacy preserving token that's wrapped, that if you don't have the viewing key, you cannot actually see the transactions that are taking place. And so Secret is how you're going to purchase these NFTs. And so how do you get Secret? Well, again, once you've swapped for SCRT Secret, you're going to see that right here. So I would just come down here to wrap, and let's go ahead and we're going to wrap 0.5. Right? And we'll click on wrap. It's going to pop up full screen here. When this pops up for you, it's going to be a much smaller box. I'm just going to go ahead and approve it. It looks like a penny for this. And this usually takes place pretty quickly, right? So all we're doing is wrapping, right? Or think of it, we're wrapping it in privacy, shrouding it in privacy so that the transactions with the Secret or the Secret can't be seen. So there we go. We've wrapped it. So now we'll come back to our portfolio, where you'll see, okay, now I have the Secret. And you can see I had 0.5 earlier. Now we have 1. And Secret's actually doing quite well. Everything is pumping right now in the market. So it looks like the value for 1 Secret token is 71 cents. So now that you have Secret, all you have to do is come to the Stash.io website, again, after you've picked out whichever NFT it is that you're interested in, and again, wrapped that amount of Secret as Secret, and then you can purchase the NFT. And it's as simple as that. So again, to close out, was really thrilled with this project. I love the Tunnel to Towers Foundation angle. I love how they're donating a minimum of $20 a month. And then again, as this continues to grow, it's probably going to, expand and increase substantially as time goes on, as well as kind of giving away some of the rewards and not, keeping everything and then reinvesting in the existing stakes that they have, right? So again, phenomenal project. I hope you like it. I hope I've earned the privilege of your time. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. And that's it. That's all I've got. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I hope to see you in the next video.